our 36-inch natural gas or propane oven range with griddle. First off, the overall dimensions. 36 inches in length, depth of 31.75 inches, overall height 59.25 inches tall. From the bottom to the top minus the splash, we have at least 38.75 inches. Measurements for the griddle will be 35.75 inches by 22 inches deep. This is the measurement for the griddle only, minus the oil runoff located on the far bottom right corner. Last but not least, measurements for the interior of the actual range. From the back to the front of the shelf, we have at least 24 inches in depth, a length of 26.5 inches, and the overall height of at least 13.75 inches. Two of the shelves can be adjusted to the desired height and will have 6 adjustable levels. Three separate knobs for 3 burners, and a separate for the actual range beneath. Waste tray for the oil runoff. And last but not least, a conversion kit for propane will be included with this oven range, so it could be used for natural gas or propane. For any other questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this product. Thank you.